Hi everybody, we're going to make some ravioli today. Mediterranean garlic spinach ravioli. So I have a new induction stove, and I'm trying to learn how to use it. First thing we're going to do is cook the ravioli. Let it boil, and then it says to cook it for 4 minutes. This is short rib filled ravioli. You can use any kind of ravioli you want. All right, so 4 minutes from now. So I'm going to cook that, and while that's cooking, I'm going to cut up the rest of the vegetables and then come back. Okay, we're back. Ravioli is cooked. So now I'm going to cook some vegetables. Maybe. Put some olive oil in there. I've got some artichokes and capers. And I cut up some tomatoes and mushrooms. So the original recipe, this is off of, I found it on Facebook someplace. The original recipe called for sun-dried tomatoes, but I just got regular cherry tomatoes that I cut in half. And I added mushrooms just because I had them here. The recipe didn't call for it, but I thought it would go good. And it wants a bunch of garlic. And that always calls for fresh garlic, but I don't do that, because I go for the easy way. I'm liking this induction range a lot. I've always used gas. When I moved here to Washington, and there was no gas, so I would have had to have put it in. But instead, I just bought an induction range because everybody says it heats just as fast or even faster and has good control, and it seems to. So far, it's really, really cool. So this is super easy, because I just cook the ravioli, cook these vegetables in some olive oil for a few minutes. So I just bought canned, cut up artichokes, artichoke hearts, some capers in a jar, these tomatoes, mushrooms, and garlic. And then we're going to add some spinach in a minute. And we just cook that until it's wilted. And add a bunch of Italian seasoning. So maybe I'll do it this way. I've never tried this. We'll have to see how it is. It smells really good though. This is looking great. Now we're just going to add the ravioli back in. And that's pretty much it. Get a plate for it. Plus the vegetables. And then you finish it by putting a little grated Parmesan cheese on top. And that's it. I'll let you know in the description will be the recipe that I used and how it is. Thanks for watching.